Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on your TCL NxtPaper 10S. So in order to do this, let's start with opening our Google Play Store. From here, in the search bar, enter Firefox, click on the install. You can also select this app. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open this app, and from here begin customizing it. So you can choose a theme, pick your toolbar placement, change always on privacy settings, sign app to synchronize Firefox, and also read this privacy notice. After all is done, click on Start Browsing. You can also set Firefox as a default browser right here. But we're not gonna do that. Let's open Wikipedia, for example. And as you can see, the browser works properly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.